Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Astro A40 replacement cord is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious gamer, ensuring your audio remains crystal clear and uninterrupted during those intense multiplayer battles or immersive single-player adventures. Without a reliable cord, your entire gaming experience can be severely hampered, leading to frustrating disconnections and muffled sound, so finding the right replacement is crucial for maintaining peak performance and enjoying your favorite games to their fullest potential. Number 5. Astro A10 Replacement Volume Cable with Control. Take command of your gaming audio with this essential accessory. The integrated volume control will allow for quick and easy adjustments to your sound experience. This cable is designed to work flawlessly with your Astro 10 and A40 gaming headsets. Enjoy a perfect fit and reliable performance. With a convenient 2.0 m length, it easily connects your headset to your Xbox One, PS4, or PC. Simply plug into the 3.5mm jack for instant use. Experience crystal clear audio and immersive 3D stereo sound. High-quality materials ensure lossless transmission for a truly shocking audio experience. We stand by the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues, we are here to provide a replacement or exchange to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This cable features a convenient inline volume control wheel for easy audio adjustments. If you frequently need to tweak your game volume on the fly without interrupting gameplay, this is a great choice. It ensures clear sound transmission for an immersive experience. What people say. This already feels so much more durable than the one that came with the headset. The volume control actually feels like it's solid and the sound came in better as well. Worked well and doesn't get tangled like the original cord. The cord itself is made out of a braided rope-like material and is plenty long enough. The volume control works well and gives a wide spectrum of volumes. Number 4. Tonmom Replacement Cable for Astro A40 A10. Introducing the Tonmom Replacement Cable, designed to enhance your gaming and audio sessions. This cable offers seamless control and superior sound quality for your compatible headsets. Easily adjust your audio levels with the integrated volume control wheel. Its generous 6.5-foot length provides flexibility for various scenarios, from intense gaming to relaxing with music or movies. Crafted with a 3.5mm golden-plated audio jack and oxygen-free copper, this cable ensures a stable and high-speed signal. The durable, tangle-free braided nylon exterior protects the 100% copper wire core for crystal clear, lossless 3D stereo sound. This versatile cable is compatible with Astro A10, A40, and A40 gaming headsets. It also works with a wide range of devices including smartphones, tablets, laptops, MP3 players, and more. Featuring distinct 3.5mm 4-pole and 5-pole connectors, it's designed for easy setup. Simply plug it in to connect with your headset and various audio sources like Xbox One, PS4, or your smartphone without any extra configuration. We stand by the quality of our product with a 12-month after-sales service. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're covered if your needs aren't met. What we like. With its durable braided wire and wide compatibility, this cable offers both longevity and versatility. If you're looking for a robust cable that can handle daily use and connect to a variety of devices beyond just gaming headsets, this is the one for you. Enjoy lossless 3D stereo sound. What people say. The quality is top-notch, and it fits perfectly with my headset. The cable is long enough, so I don't have to worry about it being too short, and the inline mute control works flawlessly. The sound quality is just as good as the original cable, and the build feels durable, which is great for long gaming sessions. Product is durable and high quality. Have had it since April and still works perfectly, would highly recommend. Number 3. Astro A40 A10 Replacement Audio Cable. Enhance your gaming and listening with this high-quality audio cable. It's designed for clear, lossless sound transmission, bringing your audio to life. Easily control your voice communication with the built-in mute function. Perfect for intense gaming sessions or when you need a moment of quiet. Crafted with a nylon braided exterior and oxygen-free copper core, this cable is built to last and resist tangles. Enjoy a stable, high-speed signal every time. Connect seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including Astro A10, A40, and A40TR headsets, as well as consoles, PCs, smartphones, and more. Getting started is effortless. With distinct 4-pole and 5-pole connectors, simply plug it in and enjoy immediate, hassle-free audio. At 6.5 feet long, this cable provides ample length for comfortable use in various scenarios, whether you're gaming, listening to music, or watching movies. What we like. This option stands out with its inline mute function, perfect for gamers who need to quickly silence their microphone during calls or breaks. If you value privacy and control over your voice communication, this cable is ideal. Its braided design also ensures durability. What people say. The A40 replacement cord is a great accessory for your headset. This cord is designed to be compatible with the A40 headset, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It features a durable construction that is built to last, with reinforced connectors that prevent fraying and breakage. Number 2. ElloGear replacement cable for Astro A10 A40. This replacement cable is designed to work flawlessly with your Astro A10, A40, and A40TR gaming headsets. Enjoy a perfect fit for an uninterrupted gaming session. Take command of your audio with the integrated inline volume control wheel. Easily adjust your sound levels without missing a beat in your game. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. Simply connect the appropriate ends to your headset and console or PC for instant use. Experience crystal clear, lossless 3D stereo sound thanks to its premium oxygen-free copper construction and gold-plated connectors. Immerse yourself fully in the game. Crafted with high-quality materials, this cable ensures durability and reliable performance. It's built to withstand the demands of intense gaming. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We stand behind our premium quality products with dedicated customer service. Contact us anytime for assistance. What we like. Enjoy seamless audio control with its integrated volume wheel and a straightforward plug-and-play setup. If you prioritize ease of use and premium sound quality for your gaming sessions, this cable is an excellent pick. It's designed for a superior audio experience. What people say. Works just like the original one. Absolutely perfect. Got this because I broke the AUX on the original cord, but I feel as if this AUX is better, completely worth it. I've had it about 3 months I think, and it's held up wonderfully. The original actually wouldn't mute when I turned the mic up, but this one did. Number 1. QJYTH A40 replacement audio cable. This audio cable is designed to work perfectly with your Astro A40 and A40TR gaming headsets. It ensures a reliable connection for uninterrupted gameplay. Experience high-fidelity sound with our oxygen-free copper wire and gold-plated connectors. Enjoy crisp, noise-free audio for a truly immersive gaming experience. At 6.5 feet long, this cable provides ample reach for comfortable gaming sessions. It's an ideal and cost-effective replacement for your old or damaged cord. Featuring a gold-plated 3.5mm jack, it ensures excellent voice clarity. Connect it to your headset and then to your PS5, PS4, PC, or mobile device. Crafted from high-grade, durable materials, this cable is built for longevity. You can rely on it for daily, worry-free use. We offer a 30-day worry-free replacement or refund policy. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This cable offers both an inline mute function and high-fidelity audio thanks to its gold-plated connectors and oxygen-free copper wire. If you need reliable voice communication control and clear, crisp sound for your gaming or calls, this is a solid choice. Its durable build ensures it will last. What people say. Works perfectly for my A40s. Compatible. Works great without having to spend as much as the original replacement. Length is the same as the original and it's compatible. So far it seems durable. Works perfectly. My mic was making a noise like I was unplugging repeatedly while dropping into Rebirth Island. I figured I'd try a new cord out and my problem is solved. Quality seems sturdy. Looks just like the picture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.